Object-oriented programming assignment. Requirement 1: LBU graphics jar properly added to projects. So we can see that here, reference libraries, LBU graphics.jar. Project contains main class.java, sets up LBU graphics. So it contains main class.java, sets up, extends LBU graphics. Correctly called LBU graphics about method to animation is displayed. Let's run it. It displays when it calls it, and also is reset and called about method. Reset, sorry, clear, then about. And so it does that. So next thing, main class.java has a main method which creates an object of graphics system. So main class creates an object of graphics system. The about method is called, and OOP animation appears when the user types about. So like we've already seen that one before. Okay, so it runs. This runs on the about method, and this is the code for that. It's called the about method to display version information. Pen down command working. We'll see if it works in your code. Okay, pen down command. Pen down command is under the graphics system. You can see the code for the pen down command here. So let's pen down. So forward command works. You can take this if it works with or without parameter. So let's see. Forward parameter is missing, so it needs a parameter. So the code for the forward command. This is the lines of code for the forward command. Forward command works with a parameter. So we use forward 100, and we show in code. Forward. Oh, let's clear this. And forward 100. So we can see that command works, and we'll show it in. We've already showed the lines of code for the forward command. So backward command works with or without a parameter. So let's see it. So backward parameter is missing, so it needs a parameter. This is the lines of code for the backward command. Backward command works with a parameter, with a backward 100. So backward 100. So it works, and this is, like I said before, the lines of code for the backward command. Turn left command works. You can check this if it works without or with a parameter. So let's see if it works without a parameter. So turn left. parameter is missing, so it needs a parameter. So we show the lines of code for the turn left command. So these are the lines of code for the turn left command. Turn left command works with the parameter turn left 90, then forward 100. So turn left 90, forward 100. So it works. Like I said before, turn left command, these are the lines of code. Turn right command works. You can check this if it works without or with a parameter. So let's try the turn right command. Turn right, parameter is missing. These are the lines of code for the turn right command. So yes, it works. Turn right command works with a parameter and can rotate the turtle. So turn right 90, then forward 100. Turn right 90, forward 100. So that works. So before, code for the turn right command. Pen up command working. Type pen up, then turn right 90, then forward 100. So pen up, turn right 90, and forward 100. So we can see if all is working with parameter. You see an end shape, yes, and that's what we saw in the turtle graphics. So next question, black command working. Show it working by typing pen down, then black, then forward 100. So pen down and black and forward 100. So it works. Then we show the line of code for the black command. So this is the line of code to use the color black. Green command working, type green, then forward 100. So green, forward 100. So that works. Okay. Red command working, red, then forward 100. So the red command is working. You can see that here. White command working. White, then forward 100. So white, forward 100. So it works. You can see the code for to use the white color here. Clear command working, showing your code and show it clearing the display. So the clear command, this is it. Show it clearing the display. So if you click clear here, it clears everything. Set command working, type right, then forward 100. So line is drawn. then type reset. So let's say, let's do turn right 90. Something you can see. So then forward 100. So if you use the resets, it with the turtle in the middle. So we can see that, we can see the line of code for reset button here. So that's working. Report invalid commands, type xxxx. Showing your code, show it detects an invalid command. So xxxx invalid inputs. So we can see the code for that. Here, show invalid input. Detects valid commands with missing parameter, type forward with no parameter, and showing your code. Okay, forward, no parameter is missing. Then show in the code. You have it here. But that must be in numbers. The line of code for that is here. That's non-numeric parameters. Type forward xxx. So forward xxx. Parameter must be a number. So parameter must be a number. Line of code for that. So bounce parameters, I can do this. Save command works to save an image. Draw something, save it, open the image in a paint package. So let's draw something. Let's say we draw a triangle 100. Then square 50. Then we save. Image and command save successfully. So we'll be able to see it. I will be able to see it here. This is it here. Let's start. And okay, show the load command. Yes, this is the line of code for the load command over here. Saves all commands previously typed as a text file. Show in your code. Draw something and save the command. So the previous one we ran, save the command for that. This is it here. This is the previous one we ran, the triangle and the square. Oh, it doesn't save here anyways. So okay, show it the save command. Go to the next question. Yes. Use a text file of commands and execute them. Couldn't do this one. A warning is displayed somewhere. Console dialog box. If the current image is not saved and the display is not affected until the user answers showing your code, draw something, then try and clear to show the warning. A warning is displayed using a GUI dialog box if the current image is not saved and the display is not affected until the user answers. It's warning display using so I couldn't do this one. Override the about method so that it still does the same dance but appends a message that contains your name. Okay, so we've been seeing that since. Type about, yeah, the name shows here. I should do line of code for that. This is it here. I call the about display message. Hi, I am Uzo Miami. So yes, implement is square and command. Thought we should wander around the edge of the square and return to its original position. So let's try this. Let's reset. Then we use square 50. It works. Then we show the line of code for the, you can see it here, line of code for the square command. Append command that takes 3 parameters, one for red, one for green, one for blue, and is subject to error checking. So this is the line of code for the pen color. Then for the full error checking, it must have 3 parameters, must be numbers, must be positive. So let's run that. So let's say, let's pen down. So pen -10, 50 must have 3 parameters. Pen 40 -10, 50 must be positive. Okay, so let's do it. Pen 100, 0, 100, then forward 100. So it prints out bubble pen 0, 100, 100. Oh, not pen 0, 100, 100. Forward 100. Let's print out another color. Let's see. Backward 200. Then clear. Then let's try 10, 100, 100, and 0. Then forward 100. Prints out another color. So that works. A pen width command that alters the pen width for all drawing operations. So the pen width command, we have that. Yeah, this is it. Enough code for the pen width command. And if we do pen width 50, then forward 100, you can see that yes, it works. So that works. So triangle size command that draws an equilateral triangle, showing your code. Okay, for the equilateral. This is the one for the triangle, but for the equilateral triangle, line of code for that is here. So if we press run, then pen down, then let's say we use triangle 50, it creates an equilateral triangle. So that works. A further triangle command which specifies tree size that draws any triangle. So we saw that line of code. So here it is. You impute 3 different sizes. So let's try it then. So triangle, say 50, 50, 50. Yes, so it works.